I'll just undo that. It's just a hose clamp. The airbox lid, undo the airbox lid. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward. 3 clips, 2 vacuum lines. Poke them out of the road. Give it a bit of a wiggle and a jiggle. And then, there we go. That'll pop off there out of the road. I think it was number 3. Yeah, number 3, here we go. So we'll get number 3 lead out. This lead is, it's all broken. It won't actually connect on properly onto the spark plug because it's all broken and flopping around. And we'll just stick that in there just to keep a bit of dust and stuff out. But that lead is actually a bit of a damage. Did I mention it's
hot? Damn hot!
It's 2 AM.
Hot in this is my shorts. I can cook things in it.
Alright, so that's the replacement part. It goes in the door, of course. I've fitted up the original barrel, locking barrel, which is there. There's just a little bolt, screw, just pushes in. Pretty straightforward. Goes from the outside. There's 2 bolts that go from the inside just in here. So we'll probably try and get a bit of a closer up on that. So there's 2 bolts got to go in there. We've got the door and the central locking mechanism. That's a central locking mechanism. Shouldn't be too hard. All right, let's go. It goes in up that way. 2 bolts onto there, and that's pretty much for the mounting. Just shouldn't be too hard to get in there, I hope. Don't tell me I actually need to have that lock. Oh no, there we go. Got it. All right. I'm going to swear and curse and try and get one of these bolts to mount up in there. There we go. It's not as bad and as thick as I thought it was going to be. That's all by feel. You've got to be a friggin' contortionist. It should be easy, but it's just not playing. So it goes through there. There we go. It's got a bit of a thread on. I'm just trying to get my central locking on. Oh, it's almost there. Oh, that's around the wrong direction. All right, get that around there. This might work a bit better if I can get my hands on it now. Ah, that's the central locking lever. Alright, so I've got to take one of those arms off. The door opening arm is actually in the way. So, pull that back out, get that out of the road. Put that in the hole. Do it the right way around, it actually sort of works. Because I have to do this one up before I put the door open arm on, or catch arm or whatever you want to call it. But I don't know what the proper name is for it. I don't want to over tighten this because it's all just cast alloy. So here we we go, that should be all right, nice and tight. Play the game. There we go. Gotcha. Right, now I'm just going to put the window down because just in case it doesn't want to open from the outside, I don't want to get locked out. And we got power. Oh yes, we got power. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It even works. Look at that central locking. Look at that. Central locking works. Okay. Got a door handle. Progress. All right, so we're doing one step forward and two steps back at the moment. I started this up, moved it over, and something on the power steering's actually burst now. So it's actually pissed all the oil out of the system. And as you can see, another huge great mess under there for me to clean up. So I'm going to bite the bullet. I'm going to pull the power steering lines out. My guess is the rubbers are perished. I think there's rubber parts to it, so if there's bits of rubber in there, rubber hose, I'll replace all of that. Yes, there we go. Bit of a disappointment really, but I might have to pull the power steering pump out and do either a reco on it, to put a seal kit through it, or maybe throw that one away and put a new one on. But yeah, it is what it is. All right, catch you later. Cheers.
Hot!
Oh, did I mention?
Damn hot!